Promotions has indicated that the title fight between Gottlieb the King Ndokosho and his Egyptian opponent Mohamed Motsoali will take place in Windhoek on Saturday, irrespective of whether they can obtain a sponsor for the event. Kinda Boxing Promotions owner Kinda Nongolo said this at the offices of the Boxing Control Board on Tuesday when he introduced the two boxers. Ndokosho, who has 20 fights, 17 wins, 2 losses and 1 draw behind his name, will face the Egyptian boxer in an International Boxing Federation IBF featherweight title over 12 rounds. The 33-year-old Motsoali, also known as Pharaoh's offspring, has 17 fights behind his name, with 15 wins and 2 losses. Speaking through his trainer and manager Richard Nwoba, as he does not speak English, Motsoali said he is not a man of many words.
Motsoali is quite better than the Argentina guy and the Butcher. So he have fought other boxers, and he say he don't talk too much. He talks in the ring. He don't come to make noise or to argue. He's better they talk inside the ring.
Ndokosho, who sat opposite his opponent in the Boxing Control Board's boardroom, smiled as Nwoba told the audience about Motsoali's performance, as he has already gone up against another boxer trained by Nwoba in a fight which he won.
For me, I can say I can tell my opponent that he come as a challenger, then he go back to win the challenges.
The Ndokosho-Motsoali fight will be the main bout for the evening, while Anthony Jarman will face Kulikile Tsibeku from South Africa in a welterweight title fight over 8 rounds. The South African was expected to arrive in Namibia on Wednesday. Another non-title fight scheduled for Saturday will see Puhamba, the President Mandume, go up against Johannes Tito Wetupunga over 8 rounds in the welterweight category. Tickets for the event are available through CompuTicket and the Boxing Control Board, and will also be on sale at the Windhoek Country Club Resort and Casino on Saturday. The tickets are being sold for $200 for normal seats, $300 for ring seats, and $10,000 for a table seating 10. The event starts at 7.